Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix invalid card error on Cash App. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and re-verify your card details and re-enter the card number, your CVV, and expiration date to ensure that no errors were made. Mistakes are the most common cause. If that is not the case, you might want to go ahead and check for your card status and expiration. Confirm that your bank card is active, not expired, and has not been locked for suspicious activity. If that is still not working, you might need to simply go ahead and ensure the linked bank account has a positive balance and try to contact your bank as well. If that is not working, then you might want to see what are the accepted cards for Cash App, because your card might not be accepted as a payment method. And at last, if nothing works, you might want to simply try a different card. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.